Look at my brother trying to make a sandwich. Yes, Mom.
I ate like 20 minutes ago. That's how much of a fat ass I am.
And he's making another sandwich again.
Again, look at that. Look at it. It looks good.
I want mayonnaise all up on my camera.
Just wait till I add the ham.
Oh yeah.
This is how to. Ooh. This is how to make a sandwich toodle. The beach.
Oh, this is interesting.
So you put this, and then if you want more mayonnaise, that's just like me. You add more. You slap.
Very simple.
Wait, we're not done. Just put it all on there. All up on it. Look at it. Make sure you get it all up on there. Okay. Then you take a ham. You know, and if you can't make the ham, I don't know. Never mind. I confused myself. You take out the ham. That's very important. I'm doing a tutorial. I know.
This is fun.
Take out the ham. That's very important because if you don't take out the ham, you won't have ham in your sandwich. And then put it on there.
Wow, you slapped it on there.
And if you want cheese, you can have cheese. But we're too poor and we don't have cheese.
Right now we don't have cheese. We have that at home.
You can always do that too. And you close the sandwich back because you don't want it to get dirty. I mean, you don't want it to do something that you don't want it to do. And then you want to put it back into your ice chicken. You close it. And then put your knife away.
He's about to enjoy this wonderful sandwich.
Take a bite.
And that's how
And
you
make a sandwich at the beach.
Goodbye.